So friends, if you are preparing for any BBA entrance exam such as the IPMAT, NPAT, Set General, CUET, St. Xavier, CUCET, DUJAT और various other entrance exams are there, अगर उनके preparation कर रहे हो guys, then you should be aware about the crash course boosters. Guys, we are going to launch the crash course for all these entrance exams, so just join the crash course and be prepared for all the entrance exams with respect to the BBA course. So for 2022 preparation, if you are aiming to enter into the top institutes, India's top institutes, which will give you the best ROI, and obviously guys, if we are investing something, then we are also expecting more in the return, and that is nothing but the placement stats. So guys, stay tuned with me throughout this video. We'll talk about all the expected, all the confirmed dates with respect to all these entrance exams. And if you are new to our YouTube channel, we have created new YouTube channel, Manua BB Entrance. Link given in the description. Kindly subscribe this particular channel because here you will get lot of updates, guys. So we already launched the batches. Let's crack SET, CUET, NPAT, IPMAT, ZipMat, CUCET and others. Guys, you will get all these features under one roof. The live class, ebooks or books access, shortcut tricks, doubt class, recorded videos, topic tests, mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made where you can share your overall doubts. One mentor will be there, guys, and his or her responsibility to clear your overall doubts. 10,000 plus questions you will get in the practice and the mentorship. So guys, target Symbiosis, Christ University, NMIMS, IAMS or the St. Xavier. You can join our classroom sessions at Mumbai. So call on respective numbers and book your seat at Borivali, Vasai and Dada Center. You can join our ongoing batches, just call on this particular number, or you can join our crash course batch, which will be start from the March onwards. So guys, if you are keen interest to crack all these entrance exams, one Google form link I mentioned in the description and get a free counseling session from our experts. You can call on number or you can also visit our website. So let's talk about the complete timeline with respect to all the entrance exam, such as IPMAT for the IIM Rohtak. Guys, dates already out, 21st of May. Now you have to focus on your 12th board too because it has the past academic records, a certain weightage on the past academic records. Right now status, it says the dates are confirmed. IPMAT IIM इंदौर, guys, दोनों साथ साथ चलते हैं ऑलवेज. इंदौर अगर पहले हो जाती है दैन रोहतक, या रोहतक पहले हो जाती है दैन इंदौर, दैन 20th ऑफ मे आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हो द एक्सपेक्टेड डेट. जिपमैट को लेकर इफ़ यू वांट टारगेट IIM जम्मू एंड बोध गया दैन अराउंड 15th ऑफ मे, क्योंकि ये जो IIMs है न्यूली IIMs है और इन्होंने IPMAT प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया है और इन्होंने इंटीग्रेटेड प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया है द IPM प्रोग्राम. सो चांसेस यही होंगे कि पहले स्टूडेंट्स इनके लिए रजिस्टर हो. सो 15th मे एक्सपेक्टेड डेट हो सकती है. NPAT NMIMS 1st अप्रैल टू 10th ऑफ जून मल्टीपल स्लॉट्स में एग्जाम होने वाला, गाइस, डेट कंफर्म है. सेट जनरल सिम्बायोसिस 14th ऑफ मे, डेट्स हैज बीन कंफर्म. CUET क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी, so target all the 5 campuses. Exam date, guys, fixed 13 March, 3rd of April and 8th of May. Confirm, right? St. Xavier's expected date of first week of May. Thereafter CUCET, now all central universities, guys, 41 central universities are there और उनके लिए प्रिपरेशन करना. then first week of April expected date हो सकती है. and thereafter DUJAT to enter into the Delhi University, July or August 2022 है. these are expected dates. So guys, dates are in front of you now. Trigger your preparation by joining the crash course, and if you have any doubts then call on respective numbers. We already started classroom coaching at Mumbai. For all exam updates and notifications, follow our social media handles such as YouTube, Facebook, Insta, and you can also join our Telegram group. So that's all, guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.